Hey YouTube, Br.Charlie is here, and that's just a short video about how to stay in tune, what helps your guitar to stay in tune, okay? If you have a Fender type of regular tremolo bridge, then you have to have locking tuners. That's the first and most important thing, okay? There is no hope to stay in tune without that. I'm telling you, I was suffering for years, okay? So here are the locking tuners. Here's the wheel, as you see. When you put the string through the tuning peg, you turn the wheel and it will be pushing up that little bar inside that will tight the string. Okay, as you see here, the string just goes through and it will be tied, okay? So you don't even have to use much string, not much string end left. I just left that much, just in case if I have to restring it, okay? But as you see here, that much, So there is no a long part of string that goes around the tuning peg, long time ago, some people tried to help it, like Eddie Van Halen, used the regular tuning pegs and anointed the string. So, when he was using the whammy bar, it goes down, all the strings that was all around the tuning peg, it got loose. But because of the oil, it went back. Yeah, but it didn't go back so good, so didn't help much. So you have to have locking tuners. But talking about oiling, anointing things, yes, this part, the nut, is crucial. There is friction in that, okay? So we have to oil that. What I'm using is just baby oil from the dollar store. You can use Vaseline also from the dollar store, $1, okay? And just use a swab, an air cleaning swab. Just take some oil from the swab and take out the string out of that groove, okay? And just oil that one by one, okay? It really helps. And the other thing is, it's really suggested to use a little bit of oil even on the string ball, okay? Just oil the string ball and that part of the string. Why? Because, as you see, I try to get it closer. When you push down the whammy bar, this will get loose inside, okay? And it might move. And it doesn't go back the same way. I'm talking about the fragment of millimeter, okay? But it counts, It counts a few cents in tuning, intonation, okay? But if it's lubricated, then it helps it to go back in the right position, okay?